My name is Ariela Yankelevich, and I've been educator in the alcohol industry for the past 25 years. I'm here to talk about alcohol and shame. I found that there is a lot of shame around alcohol, and when I started to look into it, I saw that today about 7% of the population abuse alcohol in one way or another. So that means that 93% of the population drink responsibly, but actually carry the shame for the 7%. That's why I'm talking to you today, because alcohol is good for you. I want people to connect with joy before they put the alcohol in their mouth and be educated about what they drink and know that it's great for them. Today, the drink I chose has a lot of health benefits. Tequila Matcha. White tequila with 100% agave, coconut water, lemonade matcha tea, and edible flowers. I chose it because it's good for you if you drink in moderation. In our industry, mixologists have a lot of respect for tequila because it's made out of agave, and it takes 7 to 22 years to raise agave. So it takes more time to make tequila than actually make scotch. It's also good for your weight. It doesn't have that much calories. I'm going to start by putting ice into the shaker. And then I need 1 part of coconut water and 1 part of matcha tea and 1 ounce of tequila. And then I'm going to shake it. You always want to shake behind your shoulder so it won't drip all over your clothes. And now it's cold, so I'm going to pour it into the glass. And I'm going to garnish it with edible flower that you can get in any supermarket at the food section. And here you go, Tequila Matcha. This is a great drink for the spring, and I would drink it like in the afternoon. It's so good. It is.